How to fix missing select all messages that match this search in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Gmail. At the top, search for anything you want to select. I'll simply search Etsy. And when you select, there's no pop-up popping up. So at the top, you'll find most relevant. Expand it. And you'll find most recent. Make it to most recent. For some reason, after only ticking on most recent, you'll find all the pop-up. Now select all the text and then you'll find pop-up. From here, you can unread, read, mark, or also delete. And this is how to fix missing select all messages that match this search in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.